Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo.
Hi guys, so it's 29th of April and it's currently 7 a.m. and ignore the background because I need to set up my bed, and I just took a morning bath and I have to do my morning prayers right now, and that's it, and get ready for classes. So I'll take you all along. That's it.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating a long time, waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much, 'cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the garden.
This is basically incense. Incense stick in here and let it burn. So this is for that, and I love incense. The smell of incense. It's a very herbal incense, to be precise. Table is clean and so is my bed. Now that the cleaning is done, so I'm gonna light up an incense stick and do my morning prayers.
Look upon your face, your life is
So I'll give you a quick fit check. It's an apron, this Tibet t-shirt I got from MT Delhi. These pants I ordered from Ajio, and for I'm wearing the Crocs. That's it. It's 8 a.m. and the weather is warming up.
And bring the bottle tonight. Red wine to rerun all our memories right. It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realign. Another glass of wine to find the diamonds in your eyes, darling. Another glass of wine, you know it's time. 3, 2, 1. We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies, you got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies, like we're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies, you got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies, like
So I'm back from my morning class. It was ENT and it was taught by Akil sir. Breakfast and be ready for my 11 a.m. posting. Oh, I'm sweating so much. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna have my breakfast and then get ready for pediatrics posting. Hey guys, so I'm going to pediatrics posting right now. It's so hot that you have to have your umbrellas ready, or else you will burn. Oh my god, it's hard. Okay, let's go.
'Cause I can stay inside it. Take away inside, oh, maybe today, just a little late. Monday, oh, I can stay inside and take away inside, oh, take today.
Hi guys, so this is much later, but after the pediatrics posting, I had my lunch, and after that we had classes from 2 to 4, surgery class, and we were taught about surgical site infections. I couldn't log it because I left my phone behind in room, so obviously that's a legit reason, to be honest. So that's it. Right now I'm back in my room and listening to some cool Tibetan music, and that's it. I might take some classes right now, maybe, I don't know, but later in the evening I'm going out with my friends to watch a movie in theater after so long. So that's it. So right now I'm going to watch movie with my friends, and this is my fit t-shirt from, I got it online, jeans from Levi's, and a normal slipper. That's it. I'm going out after so many days, so I'm so excited. Hello.
And bring the bottle tonight. Red wine to rerun all our memories right. It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realign. Another glass of wine, I'll find the diamonds in your eyes, darling. Another glass of wine, you know it's time. 3, 2, 1. We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies. You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies like.
और आप जानती हैं यहाँ के हालात कैसे हैं। वैसे भी आप 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 90 किलोमीटर।
Speed of light versus speed of sound. फिर से वही गेम खेल रहे हैं ना सर?
Is she? It's like they're calling. Let's go.
Cinnamon dia ada.
Hello.
Influencer life. Hashtag.
Take away inside, oh, just a little less. Monday, oh.